My name is Miguel Ramirez. I am a senior management analyst for the General Services Department Fleet Division. To put it in simple terms, anything that has wheels on it that's city owned, I buy it. I was a supervisor at an automotive shop before I came here. When I saw this position open, it was the opposite side. It was now buying the vehicles, and I thought to myself, man, this fits me perfectly. It wouldn't even be a job. It'd be fun for me to do because, I mean, who doesn't like buying cars and, you know, construction equipment and fun stuff like that. I purchase all the garbage trucks, the fire trucks, all the Ford trucks we see driving around, any tractors, construction equipment, backhoes, the police vehicles, the fire vehicles. On average, I would say 150 to 200 vehicles a year, somewhere around there. I typically receive all the vehicles. They come here because then I have to do an inspection to make sure there's no scratches or dings or damage to them. When I was in that shop, I saw it as a job. When I looked at the city, that was a career. It's really important to have vehicles, especially for first responders and people like that, but also the water department. We need our water running, we need our garbage picked up, we need our streets fixed. It's nice to see that and know that I have a small part in that being put in place.